bro, this girl stuck with me since the beginning, bro. No other girl has done that, all right? There's no other girl that I freaking travel to, bro. I drive hours, get an Airbnb just to see them for a weekend, bro. Like, yo, what up, guys? It's D. Julian Barboza back with another video, and I am in the Mazda, bro. I'm in the Mazda. This is like my second home. I love filming videos in my car, bro. And I'm actually thinking about getting a new car because I just love filming in my car. Right now, I'm about to go get some Starbucks and get some hot chocolate, and then we're gonna talk about everything, bro. We're gonna talk about a lot of stuff. I just wanted to sit down and talk about some juicy stuff, bro. I want to just talk to y'all. So if y'all want to sit down, relax, get some snacks. I'm about to drive to Starbucks and get some hot chocolate, bro, because it is freaking cold. I don't know if y'all live in Texas or wherever y'all at. On my car, it says 66 degrees outside. Guys, I'm not used to this. It is November 4th, bro. Call of Duty comes out tomorrow. But anyways, I'm going to go to Starbucks. We're going to get some hot chocolate, and we're going to talk about a lot of juicy stuff, like my hoodies that are dropping soon. All right. I got things, yo. New life, stay fly, get high, get lately, yo. Attracting all the ladies, yeah. Bitch, I'm mad rich. I got mad. One of my favorite artists, Key Glock, is dropping tonight, man. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. You know, all the artists drop on Fridays. But yeah, if you're looking for a new artist, man, check out Key Glock. He's dropping tonight. I don't know when y'all have seen this video, but he comes out Friday. Yellow Tape 2, man. Go check it out. Oh, Mr. Glock. Alright, we made it to Starbucks. Hello!
Thank you for choosing Starbucks this evening. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a hot chocolate?
I wish I could get that for you, family, but unfortunately the district's been shorted out of our mocha flavor.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Do y'all have anything else that I could drink that's warm?
I have a white hot chocolate.
White hot chocolate?
Yes, sir. It'll be a white chocolate flavor.
Have you tried it?
Personally, I'm not a big fan of the white chocolate, but the new toasted white chocolate's pretty good. And a lot of people have been adding the praline to the white chocolate to give it a gingerbread taste.
All right, I don't really like gingerbread, but let's do the just white chocolate.
Yes, sir. Did you still want that topped with whipped cream?
Yeah, let's do that.
Alrighty.
And then one more thing. Can you say hi to my vlog? No? I know you can see me. Come on, bruh. Please full forward. Man, he didn't say out of the vlog, bro. This is why I never come to Starbucks, bro. I'm never coming to Starbucks again, bro. They're so rude here. If y'all don't know, they've actually taken down one of my videos, bro. Literally, one of the ladies at Starbucks, I asked her the same thing. Can you say hi to my vlog? And she took my video down, bro. And they don't have hot chocolate, bro. I am never going here again, bro. All right, man. I finally found a spot to park in. All right, man, I'm never going to Starbucks again, but let's try this white hot chocolate. Why is there a truck here, bro? I might have to go back to the crib. Hey, looking at, bro? What you looking at? Get your ass to Academy, bro. That's why I can never film anywhere, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's not that bad, but it's not that good, bro. I'm just drinking it because I want something to sip on while I'm filming. All right, guys, I'm going back to the house, bro. Too many people are looking at me while I'm filming, and I don't want to be talking to the camera and then somebody run up on me, bro. I'm too young to die, bro. I'm too young to die. All right, I'm back. Before we talk about the drama, though, I want to talk about my hoodies, all right? Yo, guys, if y'all don't know, I'm dropping these devious hoodies, all right? And let me give y'all some backstory about these hoodies. My favorite superhero since I was little has been Spider-Man, bro. I had a Spider-Man bed, always had Spider-Man clothes, Spider-Man backpack, Spider-Man everything. And obviously, I can't use Spider-Man because that's illegal, bro. I'll get copyrighted. So I wanted to make something Spider-Man themed. And, you know, Halloween was just, you know, a couple days ago. And I really wanted to do something crazy. So I'm dropping these devious hoodies. If you want to sign up to get notified when I drop these hoodies, go to this ad on the screen, okay? And then just type in your email, and then I'll send you an email whenever I'm dropping these hoodies. But I'm dropping them next week for sure. I just don't know when yet. But yeah, guys, these have some crazy rhinestones on them. They have a nice big spider on the front. And then me, I just love the word devious. I feel like I'm devious. Gian, my little brother, he's super devious, bro. And I don't know, I just like the word devious. I think it looks good. So let me start off about why I made these hoodies. All right, so first of all, I wanted to solve a big problem that I had, bro. I had no blue clothes in my closet, bro. I don't have a blue hoodie, I don't have blue shirts, I don't have nothing blue, all right? So yeah, Spider-Man has been my favorite superhero, right? And if y'all just see, bro, like, yeah, there's light right here, but these things are just busting, bro. These rhinestones are just busting. nice red rhinestones. It says Devious. And then right here on this little thingy, bro, I'm gonna tell the manufacturer to actually put a spider on it, bro. So there's gonna be a spider right here. If y'all want to get a hoodie, man, make sure you go sign up on the website, guys. They are dropping next week, all right? And it's gonna be super limited. I think I'm only doing 100 hoodies, bro. All right, so if you want to get one, make sure you sign up, be ready, follow me on my social media so you can keep updated. I'm always posting on my stories, yo, I'm dropping this, I'm doing this, what do y'all like about this? So make sure you stay updated. First thing I want to address is I saw a comment and it was like, see y'all next month, all right? And the reason why they're saying that is because usually I drop, you know, I'm very consistent for like a week on YouTube, or I drop like 4 videos and then I start dropping videos, bro. And honestly, it really does look like I just drop videos and then dip, you know what I'm saying? But I'm telling y'all that's not happening this month. I'm already filming a video November 4th. But let me tell you what happened. So I went to Houston a couple weekends ago, right? And I filmed those videos with Rosa. And then as soon as I got home, bro, me and Rosa hung out Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, I come home, I drop off all my stuff at home. I go to the basketball court, my friend. As soon as I get to the court, bro, I'm warming up, I shoot. All right, let's start the game, bro. The game starts. As soon as I jump for a rebound, catch the ball, bro, I landed on my ankle, bro. I don't know what happened, but I literally messed up my ankle. My ankle got swollen, bro. I got fat, got bruised everywhere. And honestly, I didn't even think it was that bad, bro. I was gonna keep playing, but then I was like, you know what, maybe I shouldn't. And I posted on my story, bro, and everybody's like, yo, your ankle's broken, bro. You're gonna lose your ankle. It's gonna get chopped off, this and this and that, bro. I'm like, bro, y'all are crazy, bro. It's not that. I mean, it looks bad. It looks very, very bad, but I was still, you know, wobbling a little bit on it, like trying to get everywhere. But yeah, so that happened. So I really haven't been consistent on anything these past few days, weeks, whatever, because of my ankle. I'm not supposed to walk on them. I'm supposed to elevate it and all that stuff. Now my ankle is good though, bro. It's fine. All right, we're all good in the hood. Thank y'all for checking up on me, bro. My story views shot up. That was like 70,000 views in like a couple hours, bro, which is crazy. But yeah, man, I'm not crippled anymore, so I should be active. All right, next thing I want to talk about, bro, and I'm just gonna get straight to it. All right, I'm gonna talk about me and Rosa. Comments really don't get to me, bro. They don't, but I just want to address it because, like, I can, you know what I'm saying? I have a voice, I can speak on it, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just gonna sit here and hide it. You know, I'm not gonna do that, bro. So let me just keep it serious, bro. One thing I want you to know, bro, right off the bat, is me and Rosa's relationship is different than every other girl y'all have ever seen that I've ever posted with, right? Like, I see a lot of comments everywhere on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, bro, like, oh, this is just the same thing that's happened with blah, blah, blah. I'm not gonna say no names because, you know, I don't want to be messy and stuff, but... and so on, bro. And a few things, bro. This girl's confident. All right, I love confidence, bro. That shit's so attractive, bro. And I think I said in another video, she's super bold. Like, I'm not dealing with the insecure girl like I have in the past. You know, she holds her own, she knows herself. And the reason why I think things are different with me and Rosa, for me and Rosa, is that, bro, Rosa has stuck with me since the beginning, bro. She's always been real, but she's never switched up on me. Like, me and Rosa have been friends before we even started talking, bro. And I'll say it right now, bro, me and Rosa are talking. We're exclusive. I'm not talking to nobody else. I've had my fair share of girls. I've talked to a bunch of girls, you know. Well, I don't want to say it like that. I've done my thing, bro. I've had fun. I know what having fun is like, and now I'm ready to settle down, bro. I know what I want. And me and Rosa have built a genuine friendship, relationship, bro. I can talk to her for hours. We have fun, bro. We understand each other. We have a good chemistry. I feel like we both have a good sense of humor with each other. Bro, this girl has stuck with me since the beginning, bro. No other girl has done that, all right? And I feel bad for saying this, but Rosa might have seen me talking to another girl, and you know, she probably thought there was a thing, but she always put that to the side, bro, and she always just really cared. She really valued our friendship, bro, and I've never really met any other girl like that, bro. I hope this is not confusing, but I just want to say, man, me and Rosa's relationship is totally different, bro. Like, there's no other girl that I freaking travel to, bro. I drive hours, get an Airbnb just to see them for a weekend, bro. Like, we have good vibes. Like, I don't know, man. Rosa's just different, all right? And another thing I want to say is I feel like this girl actually cares about me, bro. Like, if I'm going somewhere, she texts me like, yo, Julian, be safe, don't speed, you know, drive safe. Like, bro, like, no other girls do that, bro. Any other girls y'all see me post, bro, they've never done that for me, bro. And I know it like sounds like small little things, but it's just small things, bro, that add up to one big thing. And I'm like, yo, this girl's different. And a lot of people like, yo, Julian, you're simping and stuff, but it's just like, bro, I've been wilding out, all right? I've been doing whatever, and I know what I want now, you know what I'm saying? And I'm happy to say that, bro. A lot of people, I know I always said I will never get in a relationship, this and this and that, but bro, I think it's time to try one, all right? And I hope you guys are here. I hope you guys are here with me. And if y'all been here since the beginning, man, y'all seen, bro, I've had my fair share of dramas and this and that and everything. And I just want to prove people wrong, bro. That's another thing too, bro. I want to prove people wrong. Everybody thinks I'm a fuck. Everybody thinks that I'm toxic, that I can't hold a relationship, that I'm a walking red flag, this and that, bro. And I know, bro, that was my brand like this whole year, but I promise you, bro, I'm not even gonna say like I've changed, bro. I'm just gonna show you I've changed, right? And I just want to show people that I could be a really good boyfriend, bro. With all those things being said, that's why I feel like me and Rosa are different than all the other girls that I talk to, right? And I want you guys to know that, bro. And another thing is, like, people always like, yo, people always talk about posting and everything. One thing I want to address, bro, is that I do social media, Rosa does social media, and we both have to create content, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not, like, I don't want all my content to just be about me and Rosa and stuff. But it's like, bro, if I'm spending a majority of my time doing relationship stuff, couple stuff, why not film it? You know what I'm saying? I'm an influencer. This is what I do. I didn't go to college, you know, like, I'm an influencer. I got to document my life, and I got to show y'all, and I want to bring it, and I want to entertain y'all, bro. That's at the end of the day, I want to entertain y'all. At the end of the day, bro, I want to upload every single day for y'all and entertain y'all, bro. That's what I want to do. So turn on your freaking post notifications if you haven't, bro. Turn them on. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're watching this far, bro, subscribe. And I'm gonna give you another reason why you should subscribe. Today is November 4th, right? Tomorrow's November 5th. I am going to Houston tomorrow to hang out with Rosa. We may or we may not. I don't know. We got to see what the vibes are like. Rosa's been sick. I've been sick. I don't know. What we may or may not film some content. I don't know. So you might want to turn on notifications. I don't know. That'd be a smart idea. If I were you, I would. But I don't know. That's up to you, right? But yeah, man, that's another thing I want to talk about, bro. It really sucks. Rosa lives in Houston, bro. Houston is 3 to 4 hours away. And I don't mind driving. It just sucks that I have to only see her on the weekends because she got school. You know, it doesn't make sense to go during the week and stuff. Blah, 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 blah. Good thing is, you know, there's a lot of holidays coming up, so she has a lot of free time off and I can go see her and stuff. All right, man, all I really wanted to do was update y'all, bro. I'm updating y'all first. My mom doesn't even know about Rosa. She might have seen me on the phone with her or something, but I haven't really told her about Rosa. My brother knows her about Rosa because, you know, we share a room and shit. And then my sister, I don't know if she knows about Rosa, so I might have to introduce them to Rosa soon. Another thing, bro, I need to get consistent because I want to move out my house, all right? I need to move out my house. Right now, there's me, my mom, my brother, my sister, and I'm going to have to pay rent if I'm moving out. I'm going to start being very consistent, bro. I want to upload on YouTube. It's fun, bro. I like talking to the camera. I like talking to you, all right? So I got to think about where to get an apartment, you know? Maybe an apartment in Houston. I don't know, but I want to bring y'all along if I'm going to be looking at apartments and stuff. What do y'all think is good? If there's any good areas, whatever. That's in the future, though. I don't want to hype it up too much, but I definitely got to move out soon. So be on the lookout for that. One more thing, though. Since I'm going to be uploading, bro, comment YouTube videos you want me to film, all right? Comment YouTube videos that can be with Rosa, by myself, without Rosa. I was thinking about doing Omegle content, bro. I want to do Omegle content, but comment some YouTube videos you want to see. All right, guys, I just wanted to clear the air, man. Y'all know now, me and Rosa are talking. Comment hashtag Julian is loyal, bro. That's all I plan to do, bro. I don't cheat, bro. Comment hashtag Julian is loyal.